Hey, in this lesson, we're going to install the Vulkan SDK. To do this, I will open up a browser and then type Vulkan SDK in the search bar. The first result is usually the Lunar G version of Vulkan SDK. This is also what we need. I'm taken up to this site, and when I scroll, I can click on the download button. This brings me to a new site where I can select my Windows platform. It is here on the left. It will bring these options, and I encourage you to install the latest SDK. The download process will start as you can see on the top right, and when the installer is downloaded, I start it up. This new wizard pops up. I click Next since I am fine with the default options. And I reach the install bar. It finishes quickly and we're done. This is for installing the SDK itself.